Noralife Ceylon Cinnamon is marketed as a natural supplement that supposedly helps balance blood sugar levels and improve overall wellness. But the real question is, can it actually balance your sugar levels? Now, to be fair, Ceylon cinnamon is a real ingredient with some scientific interest behind it. Researchers have studied cinnamon for potential effects on insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, but that's very different from improving dramatic blood sugar control. What it does well, contains real Ceylon cinnamon. Unlike some cheaper cinnamon products, Ceylon cinnamon is often preferred because it contains lower amounts of coumarin, a compound that may become a concern at high intake levels. May have mild metabolic benefits. Some research suggests cinnamon could have modest effects on glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Where the hype falls apart, it does not regulate blood sugar like medication. This is the biggest issue. A supplement should not be expected to work like prescribed treatments or replace medical care. Research results are mixed. Some studies show small benefits, while others show little or no significant effect. Any effect is usually modest. Even positive research generally suggests relatively small changes rather than dramatic improvements. So, can Noralife Ceylon Cinnamon balance your sugar levels? Short answer, probably not in the way the advertising suggests. It may potentially provide mild support for metabolic health, but there is little reason to expect major blood sugar regulation from cinnamon alone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.